Welcome. In order to pass this station, you must solve it. 3x squared plus x plus 3.
I knew it. The first step is to get the value of f of x plus h. F of x is equal to 3x squared plus x plus 3. F of x plus h is equal to 3 quantity x plus h squared plus quantity x plus h plus 3 equals to 3 quantity x squared plus 2 hx plus h squared quantity plus quantity x plus h plus 3 is equal to 3x squared plus 6 xh plus h squared plus x plus h plus 3.
But wait. By 3 of you, you must go to the second station. Come here. You're obliged to stay here. Blackbird station is over there. Stop na.
You are going to answer the third step of finding the derivative of function 3x squared plus x plus 3.
It's fine for you. You need to make me answer the third step in the fourth step, bro.
Okay, sure. Give your best to answer that correctly.
Okay, Monique, just believe me and I can do it. Okay, Emily, please to know. I can handle this.
Are you sure that you can? I can answer that. Oh, why are you here? Because I'm done in the second step. Oh, you're so bright.
Okay, answer it now.
Oh my God, I can't do that.
Okay, I'll try.
No, I can't answer it. I better walk out.
F of x plus h plus f of x all over h is equal to 6xh plus h squared plus h all over h is equal to... Oh, I got it! Yes, I know it! The answer in third step is
You got the right answer. You may now proceed to the fourth station. Welcome. You are now here in the fourth station. You are so very lucky you came here. I hope you are good in math. This is the final question. What is the fourth step in finding the derivative of the function 3x squared plus x plus 3?
I knew it, but I can't remember. You can't remember. Aha!
What is it?
The fourth step is to take the limit of the function as h approaches 0.
Okay, explain your answer.
The limit of 6x plus h as h approaches 0 is equal to x as h approaches 0 plus 3h as h approaches 0 is equal to 6x plus 0.
This is the final answer.
The final answer is f prime x is equal to 6x. Bakya ka. Ba't ganun dapat center na?
Natalon ako ba?
Pwede ito mo ako.
Yung ka nakakantok na wala hawak. Malantot na joke.
KM, KM. Congratulations to all of you. You are all now a member of fraternity club. Yay!